Hey, Tane, what are you doing? Huh? Are you driving that car, Tayton? Eh? Did you catch him?
I got one more.
Cool.
Are you doing a video?
Yes. You don't have to go on crazy on a video. You could just act normal if you wanted to. Okay, hey, don't do that. That's enough.
Okay, do a video.
I'm done.